Being able to track retainers in real time can provide insight into whether you are underservicing or overservicing your clients. In FunctionFox, creating a retainer is done under the Projects tab and is available in the Classic, Premier, and in-house platforms. First, select the client you want to create the retainer for. It is worth noting a client can have multiple retainers, so make sure to give it a name that separates it from other retainers if this is the case. Next, select the date the retainers will start, how many months the retainer will run for, and the amount per month. Now, you do have a choice here. You could select fees and base the retainer on dollar amount, or hours and base it on time put in. If fees are what you're basing it on, you can also decide on whether you want to include project costs in that actual amount each month. From here, you just need to decide what projects will be in the retainer, who is the manager of the retainer, and any notes you want to put down about it. The retainer manager can also get email alerts about the retainer each month when it hits a certain percentage, and that can be done through account settings. If you are happy with the retainer, hit Save New and the retainer will appear down below. For clients with existing retainers, new projects can be added to the retainer upon creation of the project if need be. For example, you can start with 2 projects in the retainer and add 4 new projects as they come in. From here, you can edit the retainer, delete it, or change the amounts each month by hitting the plus. If there are certain months you want to change, simply click the number and change it. Great for if there's a certain month where you know the amount of work will be larger and has already been agreed upon. Want to view your retainers to see if you've been overservicing or underservicing them? You can open the Retainer tab of CEO Desktop to give yourself a visual of the retainer, or run a retainer report under the Reports tab to get a deeper insight into the time entries made so far. Have more questions about retainers or other areas of FunctionFox? Reach out with a call or email staycreative@functionfox.com, and we would be glad to help you and your team stay creative.